Thank you for your love. Thank you for your blessing.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Moise Morishi. I'm the chairperson of Burundi Association.
Many of our viewers may be hearing about Burundi for the first time. Could you introduce your country in a few words?
We are from Burundi. Burundi is one of the countries in Africa, and in Africa we do have 54 countries, where Burundi is in East Africa, and we are really happy just to be Burundians. And as we say, Burundi is one of the countries, I say, from Africa, and we came here. So the most people they came here as a refugee. It was in 1994 is where the first Burundians to be here, and we really like just to be this country because it's a good country. As the New Zealand government they do receive people, from different countries. You see, in those different countries, remember also Burundian is one of those countries. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. How are you today? Good. Well, as a local MP, I would like to welcome all of you to come to Mount Wasco. And I think this is a very special place because Mount Wasco is one of the most diverse electorate in this country. We got more than 150 different ethnic groups living in Mount Wasco.
Of so many people from so many different countries who speak so many different diverse languages. And I think New Zealand is better as a result.
What would you like people in Australia and New Zealand to know about Burundi?
In general, what they have to know about Burundi, first of all, we are kind. We are little people, we humble. Burundians, we are little quiet, and we need to live with others. We are the men of peace. We want just, to share what we have like a culture, like what we have been learned to share with others. With not only for New Zealander, but also from the world, the world wide. So Burundians, to be honest, we have something which we appreciate ourselves. So those things is what I was saying, that we need to share with other people. Like, if somebody is kind, somebody is humble, is can live wherever in the country. Yeah.
This day, as I said before, is not a simple day, it's a special day. So for us just to do all of these things you see here, it's not...
Today is our day of independence, but Burundi has been granted that independence it was the 1st July 1962, but today is the 64th anniversary of our independence. I was sharing with people that today let us be happy, let us be rejoice because we got that opportunity just to be Burundians, and I say peace for everyone. Peace for this country, peace for all Burundians and the Kiwis and the New Zealander. Thank you very much.